All right, jumping into AI clipart generators today. We're looking at 7 AI tools for creating clipart by Amy Harrop, published November 15th on Succeed with Content. And you know, clipart's really making a comeback, isn't it? I see it everywhere.
Yeah, it is. And it's not just the look. It's how people are using it. Think educational stuff, social media, even like parts of physical products.
So true. And with these AI tools, anyone can make it, no art degree needed.
Exactly.
First up, AppyPie Design. They've got 26 AI-powered tools for like, what, $7 or $8 a month?
Yeah, it's a whole suite. You've got the image generator, obviously.
Yeah.
Then they add an AI font generator, animation generator, even background remover.
Wow, that's a lot. And then there's Microsoft Designer's Image Creator. It's also known as Bing Copilot Designer, I think. Totally free if you've got a Microsoft account.
It is, but the trade-off is editing tools aren't as good as some paid ones, but they do have that surprise me thing.
Oh, yeah.
You give it a prompt, it makes something unexpected. Could be good for shaking things up creatively.
I love that. Now, I'm a big Canva fan, and they've got Canva's Magic Studio, which is AI-powered, so exciting times.
Canva's Magic Studio takes what Canva's good at and adds AI, like Magic Switch for resizing without losing quality, perfect for clip art at different sizes. Then there's text to image. Literally type what you want, Canva makes it visual. And they've got Magic Eraser for removing stuff.
It's like a whole design team in your computer. Some features need Canva Pro, though, $120 a year. But you get all their templates and stock images, too. Good value if you use it a lot.
Definitely. And it makes you think with these AI tools, we're not just using clip art libraries anymore. We're making custom stuff, like anything you can imagine.
Totally. DLE3 is next. OpenAI made it, same folks as Image Creator. This one's known for making images from super specific descriptions.
It is powerful. But it's tied to ChatGPT Premium. So it's $20 a month.
Yeah.
And it takes practice to write those prompts just right.
A bit of an investment then. So how does Google's ImageFX compare?
ImageFX is great if you want free. Just need a Google account. Simpler interface too. What's cool is it's focused on style. You can choose like 35 millimeters for that old school look, handmade, photorealistic, tons more.
You can really tailor the look then. What about editing? Can you tweak the image in ImageFX?
It's different there. ImageFX uses mostly text prompts for editing. So want to change something, you describe the change, the AI tries to do it. Not as easy as visual tools you find in other software.
Interesting. Language to refine the image. Okay, next is Dream Studio by Stability AI, the Stable Diffusion people. It's supposed to be way easier to use than Stable Diffusion itself.
It is much more accessible. They use credits. You get 25 free to start. Each image costs $2. You can buy more if you need them. 100 for $1.
Not bad at all. What makes Dream Studio unique?
Negative prompts are cool. You tell the AI what you don't want in the image. More control.
So like whimsical forest, but no unicorns?
Exactly. Stops the AI from adding that one thing that throws everything off.
Love it. Last one for today, Dream by Wombo. This one's for mobile and tablet, though there's a desktop version. Great for working on the go.
Yeah, Dream by Wombo is easy to use, good for beginners. Free version, you get one image at a time. Premium's $10 a month or $90 for the year. Gives you 4 outputs at once. More to choose from.
Nice. We've gone through a lot. 7 AI clipart generators. AI is really changing how we make and use visual stuff.
For sure, it's an exciting time. What strikes me is how different they all are. Some, like AppyPie, do a bit of everything. Others focus on one thing really well, like DLE3 and its detailed prompts, or Dream Studio's negative prompts.
A whole buffet of AI creativity, from budget-friendly to like professional-level tools. It's crazy to think, just a few years back, custom clip art, you'd need like special software, design skills. Now it's minutes. Anyone can do it. Really shows how accessible this tech's gotten.
Doesn't it? It's really democratizing. These tools, they can help anyone, individuals, teachers, small business, anyone really, to make visually cool stuff. No design degree, no big budgets.
Absolutely, leveling the playing field. But all this easy creation, it brings up questions. Like Amy Harrop, she mentions commercially available clip art, but with editable licenses.
Right.
I'd love to hear your take on that.
That's where things get interesting. It's like AI meets existing creative stuff. You're taking a pro-made clip art element, then using AI to tweak it. Make it your own, adapt it.
Hybrid approach. Pre-made, but with AI flexibility.
Exactly. Perfect for someone who, isn't comfortable starting from scratch, but still wants something unique. You get that solid base, but the freedom to change it.
A head start. And it makes you wonder, how will this affect copyright, ownership, digital art world? If I take AI-generated stuff based on a licensed clip art, who owns the final thing?
That's the thing, right? Complicated legal stuff. Still being figured out as this tech grows. Whole new area for copyright law. But even beyond the legal side, there's the impact on the whole creative industry, right?
Exactly. What about the pros? Artists, designers, some folks worry AI might devalue human creativity if anyone can make art so easily.
Yeah, there are those concerns. Jobs, the value of human skill. But we got to remember, AI is a tool. Like, photography didn't kill painting, right?
Oh, that's a good point. Photography changed things, sure. But painting's still here. It pushed artists in new directions, new styles, techniques.
Right. It'll be similar with AI. Some will resist, others will embrace it, work with it, find new ways to collaborate.
Like any big change, right? Adaptation. Some artists might focus on making those base elements that others then customize with AI, like a digital artist's palette almost.
Interesting, yeah. A new market for artists who are good at making those building blocks.
And it could mean way more collaboration. Artists make the base, others use AI to personalize. Truly collaborative art.
Like a digital jam session, right? Different creative minds building something new together.
I like that. So Amy talks about negative prompts in Dream Studio. Can you explain that a bit more? What makes them special?
Sure. Negative prompts let you tell the AI what you don't want in the image. More control. Like, say you want to create a flower, but you don't want a specific color or shape.
I want a rose, but blue. No thorns. Super specific.
Exactly. Shows you how much control you have. It lets you be more nuanced, work back and forth with the AI, add, remove things till it's just right. Like a conversation, co-creating.
Could be a game changer, right? For designers, anyone who needs specific visuals, no more searching forever. Just use the prompt, guide the AI.
Saves so much time, especially when you're on a deadline or need something complex.
Definitely. This brings up another point. We've been talking static images. What about animation? Some tools like AppyPie, I mentioned it. What do you think about AI for animated clip art?
Now that's where it gets really exciting. We're already seeing AI animation in movies, games, but clip art, it'd be a whole new level of expression. Imagine animated stickers, interactive learning graphics, even mini clips for presentations, social media.
Totally different way to use clip art. Dynamic, moving, conveying emotion, telling stories, maybe even responding to you.
Bringing it to life, it could be super engaging, especially for like online learning, marketing where you need to grab attention.
Next step in the evolution, right? From static to animated. And as AI gets better, who knows what we'll see? The line between clip art and like full animation will blur. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From the specific tools to the bigger picture of AI and creativity. But let's bring it back to you, the listener. What does all this mean for you and, your own creative stuff?
It's exciting, really. Whether you're a pro or just playing around, these AI tools, they give you so many new options. Imagine meeting a visual for your blog or a presentation. Instead of like searching stock photos forever, use AI, make exactly what you need in minutes.
Saves so much time, and it lets people who aren't like artists be creative. But here's a thought. Reading Amy's article, it hit me. We think of clip art as, decoration. But could AI actually let us go beyond that? Use it for communication in a new way?
Oh, for sure. Clip art can be way more than just pretty pictures. Think about showing data visually, making information easier to understand, more engaging, or like AI illustrations for science papers, making abstract ideas come alive.
Wow, yeah. Using AI to connect complex ideas with visuals, that could change how we learn, analyze data.
Absolutely. Students making custom visuals for projects. Researchers using AI to illustrate their findings. So many possibilities.
It's amazing. And it's not just making new clip art. What if we used AI to, analyze existing images, feed it a mood board or photos, and it suggests clip art themes or even color palette?
That would be incredible, right? An AI assistant that gets visual language, helps you figure out the message, the look and feel of a set of images.
It feels like we're right at the start of something big. That line between the creator and the audience, it's blurring. And AI is a big part of that.
It's a great time to be creative. So many tools, so many things to try. It's up to us to explore, experiment, see what we can make.
So that wraps up our deep dive into AI clip art generators. We looked at the tools, what they can do, and even how they might change the whole creative landscape.
And remember, we're just getting started. As AI gets better, we'll see even more amazing tools.
All the links are in the show notes, so go check them out. Who knows what you'll create.
Keep that curiosity going. Stay up to date with AI, because it's always changing. And let's see what amazing stuff we can make together.
Until next time, happy creating.